Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and today we are going to be continuing our 30 days of beauty. Today is day 2 and that is, let me look. The day 2 is daily makeup products. So I'm just going to show you very quickly what my daily makeup products are. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe, and you can also find me on TikTok and on Instagram as well. So one of my products I use every single day is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter for a Superstar Youth Glow. I feel like I should do that. Superstar Youth Glow. I've had this bottle for about 2 years and there is still so much left in there because you literally need a couple of dips, a couple of dollops. Concealer. Right, I've got 2 here because this is the Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser in Nude. It's slightly too dark and too yellow for me, so I've just been mixing a little bit of this one. This is the L'Oreal Perfect Match concealer, and this is a much lighter concealer, so it just lightens that up just a tad. And I literally just put that just in the areas that I need. I will show you in a second. Speed it up. Setting powder. I'll use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and that is just in those areas that I put concealer. A little bit of bronzer. I use the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. It's very early in the morning and I can't get my teeth around the words. Eye pencil, look at this, it's massive. It's like the size of my face, like lengthwise, not obviously widthwise. I've brought out the brown one. I do have a black eyeliner as well, but generally on a daily basis I use a brown eyeliner, just a little bit. And then mascaras. I've got 2 here. This one's very new. I've literally only used it twice, but look at the size of this wand. I'm a little bit scared of it. I think I'm actually going to do my eye some damage if I poke it with that. But I generally use a voluminous lengthening mascara and then a thickening mascara to give my lashes the best chance that they possibly could. In regards to eyeshadow, that depends on what I'm feeling. Some days I will literally just grab a brush that I've previously used the day before with a brownie, and I just literally don't dunk back in. I just literally run that through my crease just to define it slightly. So I'll go no eyeshadow. And blush, occasionally I will pop on a blush, depends what I'm feeling, but yeah, that is not an everyday occurrence. Actually, I don't wear makeup every day anyway, but this is the normal staple kind of makeup, so I'm going to pop that on. I will do it in high speed for you. almost forgot as well, on my lips every day I pop on some of the Barry M Lip Rehab, just to give some love to my lips. Occasionally I will put on a lip liner or something, but if it's a day where I'm going to be out and wearing a mask, there is no point. We've already established that. So this is my simple everyday makeup that I use and how I use it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you're taking part in the 30 Days of Beauty challenge. This was day 2. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!